In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. Whether you're creating a new service page, an about page, a contact page, or even a landing page for a special promotion, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. The best part is, you don't need any technical skills to follow along. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard where you can manage all your products and services. Next, go to My Products. You'll find this section in your account dashboard. Scroll down until you see the Website Builder section. Under Website Builder, locate the website you want to edit. If you have multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one. Once you've found it, click on it to continue. Now click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to fully load, so just wait until everything appears on your screen. Once the editor is open, you'll see your current website layout, along with the editing menu. To add a new page, look toward the right-hand menu inside the editor. You'll see an option with a plus icon that says Add a Page. Click on that plus icon to begin creating your new page. After clicking Add a Page, GoDaddy will prompt you to choose a page type. You can select from different types depending on your needs, such as a standard page, a contact page, a photo gallery, or other layout options. Choose the page type that best matches what you're trying to create. Next, enter the page name you want. This is important because it will appear in your website's navigation menu. For example, you might name it Services, About Us, Blog, Portfolio, or Contact. Make sure the name is clear and easy for visitors to understand. Once you've entered the page name, click on Create Page. GoDaddy will automatically generate the new page and add it to your site's navigation menu. You can now start customizing the content of this new page by adding sections, text, images, buttons, or anything else you need. Before finishing, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save option in the editor and click it to ensure your work isn't lost. However, saving alone does not make the page live on the internet. To make your new page visible to visitors, you must click Publish. The Publish button will push your latest updates live, so anyone who visits your website can see the new page. Once publishing is complete, your page is officially added to your GoDaddy website. And that's it. That's exactly how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. As you can see, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.